Hi everyone, this is Daniel Gunberg of Cartofact. This video is a guide to show you how Cartofact works. If you're not familiar with these types of mapping systems, I'd like to just give you a review of how to work with the system. So first of all, Cartofact generally works by adding layers to the map. So for example, you can look up oil and gas, land, demographics and geography, electricity. So just to show you how that looks like, we're going to add the active rigs layer. We'll add the Alberta wells and pipelines and gas plants. And so this is a lot of data, and what you'll be seeing on the map is this data populating. So you can, as it populates, it's a lot of data that we just added, and you can actually start to visualize it on the map and be able to interact with it. So this is a pipeline that's discontinued. This is a well by Sequoia Resources. It's drilled in case, and you can click on anything on the map and to be able to identify it. So that is the general flow. You can filter the data, so the gas plants you can filter here, the pipelines you can filter it here. You can get some, you can toggle the layers on and off here, as you can see, and we're gonna just turn everything off. So we did this by going to the catalog. You can also search items in the catalog, and you can get rid of all the layers just by clicking on the garbage or the trash here, and just confirm it and you remove it. Next up, there are the search functions here, so you can search for items in the catalog, companies, wells, geological layers, latitude, longitude, LSD, NTS, and mineral land agreements. So you just click on them and you can search for, let's just do a well here. And that well's in BC, so just to show you that how the search works. Next up is the drawing tools. So the drawing system within Cartofact is a great way to sketch up the map and provide some value add information for whatever the purpose is. And you can print those. I'll show you this system next. So we'll just draw something on the map here. We'll just do a pin here. And we're going to make the pin a little bit bigger and red. We can also position it exactly where we want it. Hit done. And we can draw another one on the river. Same thing, we'll change it, some settings on it. You can make it a pin such as this one. And you can hit done. So there's the icons that you can select. You can also draw a polygon, so we can draw a circle. Same thing, there's options within the circle. You can play with the measurements, the units, whether you want them in kilometers or imperial, if you want them in yards, miles, and a bunch of features here to play around with. So you can also draw a line. To and from, and you get a total distance here. So once you're done, you just hit done here, and again you can change what the styling looks like, whether you want a line with an outline. So there's a lot of settings here you can play with, and you can also write on the map, and you can write check this area out. Make that larger, add an outline. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's not good. There we go. Done. And once you're done, you can exit the drawings, and I'll show you the print function here. So we're just going to zoom in a little bit more. And the print function is how you can export a PDF of the map efficiently and professionally out of the system. And so you can zoom in and out. You can center it, and you can do different paper sizes, tabloid, wide format. And once you're ready, you just hit download PDF and you'll get the file out of the system. Lists are for well lists, and then the preferences are here. You can select many preferences in the system. So your default base map, your current view that you wanted to search in or to start with, the default icon sizes, drawing tools, charts, the units that you want to appear on the charts, and the default search that you'd like to start Cartofact with. So we'll just change that right now. You can also select different base maps: OpenStreetMap, Digital Globe, Stamen, and so you can just select on whichever one you like. This is a terrain map. This is a street map. And then you can also select your starting view. So if you click here, this is how you want Cartofact to start, but let's say you want to narrow it in a little bit more. You just go and you save it. So next time you start Cartofact, it's going to appear at this location. We also have quick zooms, so you can click any of the ones that you saved. Next and Long Lake will zoom you there, and we can see the project there on the map. And you can zoom in and out, and this is the latitude longitude of where your mouse is at. So you can copy and paste that by clicking Shift C, and you can test it out by copying and pasting it into here, and that is the location that we searched. So that is the introduction. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and I hope you find Cartofact to be a productive place to find your data. Have a great day. Bye.